guys, in this video we are going to discuss about what are the various muscles of the scapular region. Firstly, scapular region क्या है? Scapular region is present just above the shoulder joint. This is the shoulder joint. Just above the shoulder joint, this is our scapular region. Now what are the various muscles of the scapular region? Scapular region में various muscles होती हैं. The first muscle which is inverted delta shape. This is the part 1. The first muscle on the scapular region which is inverted delta shape like this. This is the inverted delta shape. That's why it is called deltoid. शोल्डर जॉइंट के देखेंगे राउंडेड कंटूर पे फील होगा इन्वर्टेड डेल्टा शेप मसल है. दिस मसल इज कॉल्ड डेल्टॉइड मसल. व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड डेल्टॉइड? बिकॉज दिस मसल इज इन्वर्टेड डेल्टा शेप. दिस मसल इज डेल्टा शेप. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड डेल्टॉइड. द सेकेंड मसल mnemonic for various muscles are sits. These sits are the rotator cuff muscle or musculotendinous cuff. These muscles participate in the formation of musculotendinous cuff. This first S is supraspinatus. Supraspinatus. Why it is called supraspinatus? Because स्कैपुला में एक प्रोसेस होती है, स्पाइनस प्रोसेस ऑफ द स्कैपुला. उस स्पाइनस प्रोसेस के सुपीरियर पाया जाता है. ये मसल कहाँ पे होता है? स्पाइनस प्रोसेस के सुपीरियर होता है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस मसल इज कॉल्ड सुप्रास्पाइनेटस. सुप्रास्पाइनेटस मीन्स स्पाइन के ऊपर ये मसल है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड सुप्रास्पाइनेटस. एंड सेकेंड वन इज I for infraspinatus. Infraspinatus. Why it is called infraspinatus? Same as because this muscle is situated inferior to the spine of scapula. That's why this muscle is called infraspinatus. The fourth muscle which is rounded but major. That's why it is called teres major. Teres means rounded, circular, and teres major. Teres means circular, गोल है लेकिन बड़ी है. That's why it is called teres major muscle. And इसी का भाई गोल है, सर्कुलर है लेकिन छोटा है. That's why it is called teres minor. Teres means circular. गोल है लेकिन छोटी है. That's why it is called teres minor. ये मसल गोल है लेकिन बड़ी है. That's why it is called teres major. And the last muscle which is situated on the subscapular fossa. Subscapular fossa. This muscle is called subscapularis. Subscapularis. Sub means नीचे, below. Sub means below or anterior. And scapularis means scapula के anterior surface में एक फोसा होता है. This fossa is called subscapular fossa. उस फोसा से मसल अराइज होती है. This muscle is called subscapularis. So these are the muscles of the scapular region. Now detail of the muscles of the scapular region. For the detail, firstly I will draw the diagram of the anterior view and posterior view of the scapular region. This is the anterior view of the scapular region. This is the greater tubercle, this is the lesser tubercle, this is the head of the humerus. This is the clavicle, this is the acromial process, and this is the coracoid process. This is the anterior view. Now draw the posterior view. This is the posterior view. This is the posterior view. Now, first muscle, which is the subscapularis. Now, first muscle, subscapularis. Subscapularis muscle will originate from the subscapular fossa. This is the subscapular fossa. This muscle will originate from the subscapular fossa, and this is inserted into the lesser tubercle of the humerus. This muscle inserted into the lesser tubercle of the humerus. This muscle is called subscapularis. Origin of the subscapularis muscle from the medial 2/3 of the subscapular fossa and insert on the lesser tubercle of the humerus. Now, nerve supply of the subscapular muscle is upper and lower subscapular nerve. Upper and lower subscapular nerve are supplied to the subscapularis muscle. Second is supraspinatus. Why it is called supraspinatus? Because this muscle originate from this is the spine. This is the spinous process of the scapula. This muscle originates from the suprascapular fossa. This is the suprascapular fossa. This muscle will originate from the suprascapular fossa, and this muscle is insert into the superior aspect of the greater tubercle. This is the origin from the suprascapular fossa and insert supraspinous fossa and insert into the superior aspect of the greater tubercle of the humerus. This is the insertion. Now second muscle is infraspinatus. This is the infraspinous fossa, and this muscle originates from the infraspinous fossa and insert into the greater tubercle just below the supraspinatus. Just below the supraspinatus. This is the insertion of the supraspinatus muscle. This is the infraspinatus. This is the insertion of the infraspinatus muscle, which inserted just below the supraspinatus muscle. Origin from the infraspinous fossa and insert into the greater tubercle just below the supraspinatus muscle. Nerve supply, supraspinatus and infraspinatus. Both nerve supply is suprascapular nerve. Suprascapular nerve. Root value is C5 and C6. Suprascapular nerve, root value C5 and C6. Now the third muscle, which is teres major. Teres major muscle will originate from the lateral border of the dorsal aspect of the scapula. This is the teres major. Teres major muscle will originate from the lateral aspect of the lateral border of the dorsal aspect of the scapula and insert into the medial lip. This is the medial lip of the bicipital groove of the humerus. This is the medial lip. This insertion is the teres major. This is the teres major muscle. This muscle is the subscapular. This is the infraspinatus muscle, and this muscle is the supraspinatus. This is the supraspinatus, this is the infraspinatus, this is the teres major, and teres minor muscle will originate from the upper part of the lateral border of the dorsal aspect of the scapula. This is the teres minor muscle. This is the origin of the teres minor muscle. Insertion on the greater tubercle just below the infraspinatus. This is the insertion point. This is the insertion point. Insertion on the greater tubercle just below the infraspinatus muscle. This is the insertion of the teres minor. This is the teres minor muscle. Teres major insert on the medial lip of the bicipital groove of this humerus, and teres minor insert into the greater tubercle just below the infraspinatus muscle. Now the deltoid. This is the anterior view. Deltoid. Anterior fibers of the deltoid. Deltoid have three fibers: anterior fibers, posterior fibers, and lateral fibers. Anterior fibers will originate from the lateral 1/3 of the anterior surface of the clavicle. This is the lateral 1/3 of the anterior surface of the clavicle. These fibers are called the anterior fibers of the deltoid. There is the deltoid tuberosity. This is the deltoid tuberosity. and these fibers will insert into the deltoid tuberosity. These are the anterior fibers. Anterior fibers origin कहाँ से होते हैं? Lateral 1/3 of the anterior surface of the clavicle, and lateral fibers originate from the lateral border of the acromial process of the scapula. This is the acromial process, this is the lateral border, and lateral fibers also originate from the lateral border of the acromial process of the scapula. These are the lateral fibers plus anterior fiber, and both fibers will insert into the deltoid tuberosity. This is the deltoid tuberosity. Deltoid tuberosity. These fibers insert into the deltoid tuberosity. Anterior fibers will originate from the anterior lateral 1/3 of the anterior surface of the clavicle, and lateral fibers will originate from the lateral border of the acromial process of the scapula, and these fibers meet together and insert into the deltoid tuberosity. Now the posterior fibers I will make from the black pen. These posterior fibers will originate from the spine, lower lip of the spine of a scapula. This is the lower lip, this is the upper lip. These fibers are the posterior fibers of the deltoid muscle. These fibers will originate from the lower lip of the spine of the scapula, and these are the anterior fibers. These are the anterior fibers, and both fibers combine these posterior fibers and anterior fibers, and insert into the deltoid tuberosity. There is the deltoid tuberosity. These fibers कहाँ पे इंसर्ट हो जाएंगे? डेल्टॉइड ट्यूबरोसिटी में. ये फाइबर्स क्या करते हैं? सारी मसल्स को पोस्टीरियर में कवर कर लेते हैं, और these fibers insert कहाँ पे होते हैं? Into the deltoid tuberosity. This is the deltoid tuberosity. Both fibers insert. This is the anterior fibers, जो कि आगे की तरफ से घूम के आए हुए हैं, जैसे कि आगे ये वाले डायग्राम में दिख रहा है. These fibers insert into the deltoid tuberosity. सेम ऐसे ही ये आगे वाले फाइबर्स, एंटीरियर फाइबर्स, घूम के इंसर्ट हो गए डेल्टॉइड ट्यूबरोसिटी में. This is the posterior fibers of the deltoid muscle. Insert into the deltoid tuberosity. This is the deltoid tuberosity. I will make the from different color. Deltoid tuberosity is this. This is the deltoid tuberosity. सारे फाइबर्स आके इंसर्ट हो जाएंगे deltoid tuberosity में. These are the posterior fibers of the deltoid tuberosity. These are the anterior fibers, and this is the lateral fibers. This is the anterior fibers. Both meet, दोनों एक साथ जुड़ के इंसर्ट हो जाएंगे deltoid tuberosity में. Here posterior and anterior, कुछ फाइबर्स एंटीरियर इधर होंगे, कुछ इधर होंगे. तो ये वाले फाइबर्स पोस्टीरियर के साथ जुड़ के इंसर्ट हो जाएंगे डेल्टॉइड ट्यूबरोसिटी में. इधर आगे से एंटीरियर एंड लेटरल बोथ कम्युनिकेट एंड इंसर्ट इनटू द डेल्टॉइड ट्यूबरोसिटी. नाउ नर्व सप्लाई ऑफ द डेल्टॉइड मसल इज एक्सिलरी नर्व. रूट वैल्यू इज C5 C6. एक्सिलरी नर्व, and this nerve is also supplied the teres minor muscle. Teres minor also supplied by the axillary nerve. Now nerve supply of the teres major muscle is lower subscapular nerve. Lower subscapular nerve. And now actions of all those muscles. Action. First, deltoid. एंटीरियर फाइबर्स डेल्टॉइड की क्या करेंगे, फ्लेक्शन करवाएंगे एट दी शोल्डर जॉइंट, फ्लेक्शन एट दी शोल्डर जॉइंट। एंड पोस्टीरियर फाइबर्स क्या करेंगे, डेल्टॉइड के एक्सटेंशन कराएंगे ऑफ द शोल्डर जॉइंट का, एंटीरियर शोल्डर का फ्लेक्शन कराएंगे, पोस्टीरियर फाइबर्स ऑफ द डेल्टॉइड विल परफॉर्म द एक्सटेंशन एट द शोल्डर जॉइंट। नाउ द थर्ड फाइबर्स विच इज द लेटरल फाइबर्स, लेटरल फाइबर्स क्या करेंगे, फ्रॉम द 15 to 90 डिग्री एबडक्शन कराते हैं, 15 to 90 डिग्री एबडक्शन में हेल्प करेंगे, कौन से, लेटरल फाइबर्स ऑफ द डेल्टॉइड मसल, प्लस सुप्रास्पाइनेटस भी कराते हैं साथ में, लेटरल फाइबर्स ऑफ द डेल्टॉइड एंड सुप्रास्पाइनेटस बोथ आर एबडक्शन में हेल्प करते हैं, कहां से, 15 to 90 डिग्री। एंड एक्शन, नाउ एक्शन ऑफ द सुप्रास्पाइनेटस मसल, सेम ऐसे ही सुप्रास्पाइनेटस मसल विल हेल्प द एबडक्शन, इनिशिएट द एबडक्शन फ्रॉम 0 to 15 डिग्री, हेल्प इन एबडक्शन, एबडक्शन फ्रॉम 0 to 15 डिग्री, कौन सी मसल, सुप्रास्पाइनेटस मसल, सुप्रास्पाइनेटस मसल एबडक्शन कराएगी 0 to 15 डिग्री का। नाउ इंफ्रास्पाइनेटस मसल, इंफ्रास्पाइनेटस मसल क्या करेगी, लेटरल रोटेशन कराएगी, लेटरल रोटेशन ऑफ द शोल्डर जॉइंट, lateral rotation of the shoulder joint is done by the infraspinatus muscle. This is the infraspinatus muscle. Infraspinatus muscle will perform the lateral rotation. If this muscle will contract, our humerus will slightly laterally rotate. This is the function of the infraspinatus muscle. And supraspinatus help in the abduction 0 to 15 degree. Now functions of the teres major muscle, teres major muscle will help in the medial rotation of the shoulder joint and adduction towards the median plane. This is the adduction. teres major किस में हेल्प करेगी, adduction प्लस medial rotation, मीडियल रोटेशन कराएगी और एडक्शन कराएगी। नाउ द फंक्शन ऑफ द टेरिस माइनर मसल, टेरिस माइनर मसल विल हेल्प द lateral rotation of the shoulder joint, it is also help in the lateral rotation of the shoulder joint. So these are the origin and insertion, nerve supply and action of all muscles of the scapular region. So if you like my work, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you have any suggestion, then please comment me. Thank you very much.